These prints look amazing, but there's one thing I didn't expect. Welcome to my gelato review and unboxing. My name is Mandy McDonald and I'm a watercolor artist. I offer prints and accessories of my work on my Etsy shop, and providing the highest quality products is super important to me. Right now I'm testing multiple printing companies, and today I'm reviewing Gelato. First, I want to say this is not a paid review at all. This is just my personal experience. All my paintings have been professionally digitized for the highest possible quality, so if something looks off, I know it's not due to the image. So right off the bat, the Jungle Toucan print looks absolutely gorgeous. The colors are vibrant and it super pops. I really love it. Having said that, I was a bit disappointed with the packaging. The postcard sets are simply banded together with some paper. They're not boxed or individually wrapped to protect them from each other. I did order a set with envelopes, and I expected those to come in a box, since that's typically how card sets are packaged. I offer a lot of my products as gifts, and I really would love to see these in a box, and that way people can wrap them and gift them. Or, like, if I'm using these and sending them out, I would love to have them in a box so that they could be set aside, neat and safely tucked away. So yeah, I was surprised when they arrived loose instead. As someone that sells my own work, presentation really matters to me a lot, just as much as the print quality does, especially when I am offering these as gifts. Another thing I noticed, as part of my membership, I selected to have branded logo stickers with my orders, and I was expecting to see these here, but they weren't included. I'll have to double check the member settings to see if that only applies to certain products. Having said that, I'm super impressed with the print quality itself. Look at these sleepy jaguars, they're gorgeous. The colors are super vibrant, and the detail of my original painting, it really comes through beautifully. Yeah, I am super happy with these. I really love them. I think they're great. These running with the wind paintings of the horses, those look beautiful. So the envelopes, they're also great quality. They're thick, they're not flimsy, and they feel like they would really hold ink well. So if I'm going to be writing with my art pens that are kind of extra wet, I'm not really worried about these looking blotchy. I think that they would hold the ink really well. But again, the envelopes, they arrived loose with a paper wrap, and I would have really liked to see them in a boxed set for some more polished presentation. The card slides right in, it fits nicely, so I'm really happy with that. So overall, the print quality is absolutely excellent. I'm really happy with that. The only downside for me is the packaging and the presentation. Since I'm not sure if the missing branded packaging is due to my own settings or not, I want to take that into consideration. So for these postcards, I would give Gelato a 4 out of 5 stars. I need to figure out if the print quality versus the downside of the lack of packaging is worth it for me for my shop. Let me know in the comments what you thought of the print quality and how you felt about the packaging. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.